These are my Remy tape and extensions by Hairro. So these are a super good deal because they come with 40 pieces of hair in a pack. Generally with packs of tape and hair extensions, you usually have to buy multiple, whereas with this one, because it comes with 40 sandwiches, you only need one pack. So this is what my hair looks like before. I've got a fair amount of length and volume. However, I just wanted to add a slight bit of length and a little bit more of fullness. So those were the tools that I've used. We've just got a little pick to section it, some scissors to trim them up, and clips for when we section it, essentially. So a little bit of the between process. That is how it looked before we cut it. So then we trim my hair a little bit just to make it all blend in a little better as well. So then we've trimmed it and styled it, and that is how it looks complete. I am in love with it. The hair itself is so shiny. It blended beautifully. I was worried the color was going to be a little bit darker. I did the medium brown, and it just blended flawlessly. Could not recommend it more. Definitely check them out. It is real hair too, so you can cut, dye, style, anything you want. Check it out.